What's the meaning of carnosaur? Carnosaur. Carnosaur.
Carnosaur. Carnosaur. Carnosaur is a term used to describe a group of carnivorous dinosaurs that lived during the Mesozoic era. These creatures were generally large, bipedal predators with sharp teeth and powerful jaws. Some of the most well-known members of this group include Tyrannosaurus rex, Allosaurus, and Carnotaurus. Carnosaurs are considered to be some of the most fearsome and iconic dinosaurs, and their fossils continue to captivate scientists and the public alike.